MicroROS is one approach to enabling robotics on the Raspberry Pi Pico, and that I've used anyway. The Pico 2 and RP2350 are faster with better floating point math that could be really useful in robotics. Let's see if we can get MicroROS running on the Pico 2. Stay tuned to see how I get on. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, Pico 2, robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Remember to subscribe and join the community. This is my 3-minute summary for MicroROS and the Pico 2. If you have time, why not check out the full video? This is really about connecting the Pico 2 into the ROS robotic operating systems ecosystem. I run this using ROS2 Jazzy Gillesco on a Raspberry Pi 5 under Ubuntu, then using MicroROS as the framework to connect to that. This communicates over USB, though other options are available. For this video, I'm going to control bus servos via a serial interface out of UART1, while using UART0 for telemetry. I'm using both MicroROS and FreeRTOS kernel as frameworks for the control of the robot. My example code is on GitHub within this project. I have a new firmware there for the RP2350 or the Pico 2 that allows me to script a set of moves via joint jog messages to successfully move the robot, demonstrating MicroROS on a Pico 2. If you like this video and it helps your learning or projects, why not drop me a cash tip using the super thanks button below the video. Remember, I'm saving these up to get myself to open source in San Francisco next year, and I'd appreciate your help in getting me there, and I hope to see you there too. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Bye bye for now.